Replacing or installing new windows in your Worcester home is one of the best ways to boost energy efficiency, comfort, and curb appeal. However, even high-quality windows can underperform if they're not installed properly. Many homeowners, whether attempting DIY projects or hiring inexperienced contractors, make costly mistakes during installation. Understanding these common errors can help you ensure your investment delivers lasting results. Ignoring Worcester's climate considerations. Worcester's weather is known for its seasonal extremes: cold, snowy winters and warm, humid summers. Failing to account for these conditions when selecting and installing windows can lead to poor performance. For example, improper insulation or caulking can allow cold drafts in winter and heat infiltration in summer, increasing energy bills. Tip: choose energy-efficient, double or triple pane windows with low-E coatings designed for Massachusetts climate. Ensure the installer seals all gaps to prevent moisture penetration and air leaks. Failing to measure correctly. Accurate measurement is the foundation of any successful window installation. Even a fraction of an inch off can cause major issues. Windows that are too large or too small for the opening can lead to gaps, improper sealing, and difficulties in operation. Some homeowners assume that close enough is sufficient, but precision is key to proper alignment and insulation. Tip: always measure each window opening at multiple points, width, height, and depth, and use the smallest measurement as your reference. If you're unsure, rely on a certified window professional who uses precise measuring tools and methods. Neglecting to check for structural damage. Many older Worcester homes, especially those built before the 1980s, may have hidden frame rot, mold, or moisture damage around window openings. Installing new windows over compromised framing can lead to future leaks, drafts, and even structural failure. Tip: before installation, thoroughly inspect the window frame and surrounding wall for signs of rot, cracks, or water intrusion. Address any issues before proceeding with installation to prevent long-term damage. Skipping proper flashing and sealing. Flashing and sealing are essential to keeping water out of your home. Unfortunately, some DIY installers or inexperienced contractors cut corners here, leading to moisture seepage between the window and wall. Over time, this can cause mold growth, wood decay, and insulation problems, especially in Worcester's wet and snowy conditions. Tip: use high-quality waterproof flashing tape and exterior sealants. Ensure the window's weep holes and drainage systems remain unobstructed to allow water to escape safely. Using too much or too little insulation. Proper insulation around the window frame is crucial for both comfort and efficiency. Using too much expanding foam can warp the frame, making the window difficult to open or close. On the other hand, insufficient insulation leaves gaps that let in drafts and outdoor noise. Tip: apply low expanding foam or fiberglass insulation sparingly around the frame, ensuring even coverage without distortion. After the foam cures, trim excess material before sealing with caulk or trim. Overlooking the importance of level and plumb installation. Even minor misalignment can affect how a window operates and seals. A window that's not level or square can cause uneven stress, air leaks, or difficulty locking. In Worcester's temperature fluctuations, improper alignment can worsen as materials expand and contract. Tip: always use a level during installation and double-check alignment before final fastening. Ensure that the sashes slide smoothly and the locks engage properly. Forgetting to consider exterior finishing. The window's exterior finish not only affects aesthetics but also prevents water infiltration. Some homeowners focus solely on interior trim and neglect the exterior sealing or siding integration. This mistake can lead to premature wear and moisture intrusion behind siding or brickwork. Tip: use exterior-grade caulking and trim materials that complement your home's exterior. Proper finishing ensures both a polished appearance and enhanced weather protection. Hiring unqualified installers. Lastly, One of the most common and costly mistakes is hiring inexperienced installers or choosing based solely on price. Poor workmanship can void manufacturer warranties and lead to future repair expenses. Tip: work with licensed and insured window contractors in Worcester who have local experience and solid reviews. Ask about certifications, warranties, and post-installation inspections. Final thoughts: proper window installation is an investment in your home's comfort, efficiency, and value. By avoiding these common mistakes, Worcester homeowners can enjoy long-lasting performance, lower energy bills, and enhanced curb appeal. Whether you're replacing a few windows or upgrading your entire home, meticulous planning and professional installation make all the difference.